Hello everyone, so it's me Saif again, and I hope everyone is doing all right. So today again, I am starting with this kind of new things and everything, all the educational videos that I tend to do it for you also, and we try to make it also into a way step by step. I wanted to let you know also and teach you also, and I do have a small kind of community, a better thing, like where we can share or join, or you can ask questions also. Do on YouTube also comments. I'll be replying you there also, especially. And the second of the most important thing, I'll show you on the Telegram, where we keep having the trading sessions and everything. As you can see here, it's like all the people ask questions, we have doubts, we have queries, and recently also we had a trading session. So here it is like this. So step by step, right now we'll go and we'll make it understand into a way like how it has been going it. So step by step we'll try to make it understand also, go also. And today it is very interesting about the 3 of the indicators that we'll be using is demonetary indicators. I'll teach you. So expiration time 30 seconds, candle time 30 seconds, everything has been set. So here we'll be doing rate of change and 2 Bs, bull powers, bear powers. Rate of change, make it to 22. Just be little attentive what I'm talking about. Styles, you need to make it 2px. Color as whatever you like it. And base power, you need to make it same as rate of change. 22 styles here and 2px. Color anything you can keep it in default. And this you just need to make it 16. Here you just need to make it 16. Okay, inputs I made it wrong. 16 styles 2px. So here everything is all right. So let's go step by step. We can check it right now what is happening. Here as you can see a pullback also here into a way. So this seems to be an upward trade, to be honestly, like one of the things, like it was been up short above the baseline, above the baseline, above the baseline. So that's what I wanted to let you know also. Basically many of the person tend to make a mistakes here also. I'll in the further video as it goes up to be, I'll let you know also like how we tend to make a mistake into and happening into a way. So that is the reason I wanted to make you also, this is the video that I wanted to make you understand and realize also that how and why we have it. So it's plus 192. We'll take the same profit and start it from ahead. We'll start it from ahead 192. So step by step here also as you can see a similar patterns what we saw it here also 1339 and here also 1337. So here as you can see is this the same similar patterns as you can see it. So here also an upward trade right now. We can see the same similar patterns always. See guys, this is most important always, like the small minute mistakes we do it, like same similar patterns we see it and we go blindly for some of the trades that we get. But sometimes in OTC the main difference that you will have it's like too much of volatility. The reason I'm talking about this right now is really important, like somewhere or the other people will have this kind of mistakes and they tend to make it into a way. But I understand it's a kind of short trade, and that is the reason I wanted to let you know also. So the mistake I'll tell you as we go to the further videos. And here we'll check it from this place. So let's take our trade from 400. So this is very important. As you can see on 1339, as I can see the peak, and bulls powers as I can see it here also, it was been dropping it. Here also it was been a pullback. Here also it was been a pullback. Here also it was been a pullback. So this is also very kind of similar thing. So here we'll take a downward trade also, because two of the indicators was been showing the same similar kind of patterns as I've shown you from the here the pullback, and here the pullback, and here the pullback. So 1340 and 13 here 16, you were having the same pullback or something, and this also, and this also. And that is the reason we need to understand this kind of things and small details also, like how even if you see this video again and again, you must have seen all the 3 indicators had the same similar kind of pattern recognition, and this is the third one. That's what I'm telling you. Now the thing is, I'll tell you how we make some of the small mistakes. Let's check it here. Now same 1334, bulls power is showing something else, as you can see from here 1343, and still and here. So now as you can see it, how it goes up to be here, and then we tend to make sure it's in downward trade right now, because we tend to have it as thing like I am showing it into a same pattern recognition here, 1343, and here also, and here also. So you need to make sure to understand it into a way like many of the times both the indicators show the same volatility, but they cannot have the same results. So it's really need to understand, and it's really important to make you also understand like both the things can have it the same thing, by mark of things or something. That is the reason I wanted to let you know the same kind of thing. So I hope you understood this video, to be really honest, and whatever the things and comments and down and section, whatever the thing is, do let me know. I'll be waiting for you there, sir. Thank you so much.